go.
Hi, Dr. Faue here, and welcome to our Back to School, Back to Health module on backpack safety. Today we're going to go over just a few tips on how to pick out the right backpack and how to make sure your child is wearing their backpack correctly so that they can avoid any spinal injuries or just kind of imbalances and wear and tear that might go along with wearing their backpack improperly. So number one is you want to choose the right backpack. What goes along with that is making sure that the backpack fits right to begin with. You want to make sure that the backpack is no more than 3/4 of the length of their back to begin with. So when they put the backpack on, the backpack should never go down further than the top of their butt. So right here. So anytime that the backpack starts to droop down here, we know that the backpack is too big for the child. All right? Secondly, we want to make sure that it's got nice, wide, padded straps for the shoulders. And we want to make sure that the weight is distributed evenly and that heavier objects are stacked closer to the body so it doesn't start to pull the child backwards. Number two, we want to make sure that that it's packed right. We want to make sure that at no point does the backpack ever weigh more than 15% of the child's body weight. So if your child weighs 100 pounds, the backpack should never weigh more than 15 pounds, and kind of respectively. Lastly, we want to make sure that you're wearing it right. So always we want to make sure that the kid has both straps on to avoid muscle imbalance on the shoulders. We want to make sure that the straps are cinched up snug but not too tight so that the backpack sits right above the buttocks. And then from there we just want to make sure that everything is snug and not moving around, so that when they're rocking and things like that, things aren't rocking all over. Lastly, we just want to make sure that when you're lifting your backpack, you always lift with your legs so that you're not bending over and putting extra strain on your low back. So, just a few easy tips on backpack safety for back to school and back to health. Thanks.